on! Fruit sticks.
I want a snack. I am starving.
But there's nothing to eat in the fridge.
Oh.
Really? Nothing? Hey, we have lots of fruit. We could eat fruit.
Oh, I don't feel like eating fruit.
True.
What? No way. Fresh fruit is really good. Let's call Chef Panda for help. He would know how we can enjoy the fruit.
I don't feel like it.
Aw, come on!
Chef Panda!
Panda! Put on an apron. Don't forget the hat. Prepare your utensils. I am the amazing Panda Chef. Well then, shall we make something yummy? Cooking, 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 fun, fun, cooking time. Panda! Panda! Gently, gently wash the veggies. Chop, 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 chop them up. Pound, 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 grind it up. I am the Panda Chef. Oh!
Chef Panda, these guys don't like fruit. Is there any way for them to enjoy fruit?
A way to enjoy fruit. All right. I will make you beautiful fruit sticks. I bet you would just keep eating them.
Okay, please make them for us.
Alrighty. Fresh fruit sticks. Sweet and sour fruit sticks. Fresh fruit is essential for fruit sticks. Off to pick fresh fruits. Pineapple. Grapes. Hoi! Blueberries. Yeehaw! Hoi! Strawberries. Oh yeah, we can't go without a melon. Bananas too. Tomatoes. Tangerine. Watermelon. Oh, it's hot. Whew, done. First, wash these fruits clean. Hoi! Chop them into bite size. Hey-ya! Hoi! Hoi! Chop, chop, chop! Hoi! Panda! 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 Now, we will put them on a skewer. Center shape. Hoi! Flower shape. Hoi! Panda! Sunflower. Next, imprint the names. Hoi! Panda!
Wow!
Hoi! Yeah! Panda! There.
Wow!
Wow! They look so delicious!
Chef Panda, thank you very much.
Don't mention it. Shall we taste them?
Yes!
Whoa!
Oh my! What's wrong, Chef Panda?
That's weird. They're just so tasty.
Click here to subscribe! Press like!